Begin by grabbing the top corner of the seal. Gently pull it away. It will detach from a plastic channel that runs along the door. This process does not damage or affect the seal. It allows you to reattach it afterward without issue. When removing the seal, make sure to pull it from the corner. It should come out easily without much force. After removing the seal, you will see the plastic channel on the door. If it's dirty, clean it. Use warm, soapy water to remove any residue or food particles. Then, take the new door seal. Notice the dart on the back designed to fit into the channel. I recommend starting with the corners when attaching the new seal. Align them and press to clip in. The rest of the seal should follow smoothly, clipping into place around the entire door. Ensure every part of the seal is properly clipped into the channel. Unsecured sections can lead to inefficiencies in the fridge's sealing. If there are any small gaps in the seal after installation, don't worry. Use a hairdryer to gently heat the area. The seal will expand slightly and fill the gap, ensuring a tight fit. This method is applicable for most contemporary fridges. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more useful videos.